Welcome children to the another classification of noun and to say whether they are singular or plural. Now let's read the following sentences. The first one, the boy was throwing a stick at the dog. And the second sentence, have a look over it. The boys were throwing sticks at dogs. So in the first sentence, the noun boy, stick and dog stand for only one person, right? Thing or animal. So these nouns are said to be the singular number, right? They are singular form of noun. Now in the second sentence, the nouns boy, sticks, dog stand for more than one person, thing or animal. So these nouns are said to be in the plural number, right? So now if I talk about, say, a pen, so it will be a singular form, and if I say pens, so it will be plural one, okay? And if I talk about, say, a table, so table will be singular, and tables, if I talk about, it will be plural, okay? Let's now move on to the formation of plurals. So as we have talked about how to form plurals of countable nouns like pen, pens, apple, apples, okay? So what are the ways we make them plural? Okay, we are going to study this. So first, have a look at this. Most nouns forms their plural by adding s in the end. So you simply have to add s at the end, like bag, bags, balloon, balloons, bone, bones, cake, cake, case, cases, face, faces, finger, fingers, flower, flowers, horse, horses, lamb, lambs, right? Here you are adding simply s at the end of the word. Now the next type is noun that end in ch, sh, s, ss or x form their plurals by adding es to the singular, right? What you have to do, what you have to add? Yes, by adding es. Now for examples, look at the examples. Beach, beaches, bench, benches, branch, branches, church, churches, dish, dishes. You are simply adding es after the word, right? Now let's move forward. The third type is nouns that end in y forms their plural by changing y into ies. So you are changing y to ies. Now see the examples. Army, y is converting to ies. Baby, here also y is converting to ies. City, cities. Diary, diaries. Dictionary, dictionaries. Lily, lilies. Party, parties. Reply, replies. Spy, spies. Story, stories. Right? So here y is converting. You are simply changing y to ies. Now the next one. Put nouns that end in vowels plus y form their plurals by adding s to the singulars. So here nouns that end in vowels plus y form their plurals forms simply by adding s at the end. Say bay, bays, boy, boys. So here bay, a is a vowel here which is followed by y. So its plural will be bays. Boy, o is vowel here which is followed by y, and its plural will be boys. Chimney, here e is a vowel and which is followed by y. So chimney, its plural will be chimneys, and so on. Right? Now coming on to the next one. Nouns that end in f or fe. Right? Nouns that end in f or fe forms their plural by changing f or fe into ves. So wherever there is f or fe, you have to convert it to ves in plural, right? So here singular calf is giving here, and its plural will be calves, that is calves. Half, halves. Scarf, scarves. Sheaf, sheaves, right? Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Life, lives. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. But children, here are few words which do not follow the rule. Like some nouns that end in F or FE form their plural by adding only S in the end. Here are the examples. Like brief, briefs. Here F is there, but it is not following the rule that F and FE will change to VES. So in plural there is only S after F, right? In the plural form. Calf, calves. Chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Giraffe, giraffes. Gulf, gulfs. Proof, proofs. Puff, puffs. Reef, reefs. Roof, roofs. Clear? Now the next one. Nouns that end in O form their plural by adding S to the singular, right? Like bamboo, bamboos. So here these words are ending with O and you are just making its plural by adding S at the end of the word. Bamboo, bamboos. Canto, cantos. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Dynamo, dynamos. Hippo, hippos. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Ratio, ratios. Reno, renos. Video, videos. Clear? You are just simply adding S at the end of the word. Now, some nouns that end in O form their plural by adding ES to the singular. Now, see in this one. Buffalo, buffaloes. O is it's ending with O, so it is converting to ES in the plural form. Cargo, cargoes, right? ES. You are just adding ES after O. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. And so on. Right? Now the next one. But some nouns that end in O, there are exceptional cases also, form their plural either by adding S or ES to the singular. Like buffalo will convert, the plural of buffalo can be buffaloes, or you can add ES after O also. Right? Mosquito, mosquitoes and mosquitoes. Both are correct. Right? And so on. Now the next one. Some nouns form their plurals by changing internal vowels, right? What are now? See the internal vowels over here. Like man is here given, singular. It's singular form and internal vowel is A. You are converting internal vowel to E in the plural form. Like men will convert to MEN, men. It will be the plural form of man. Women will convert to women, right? Foot will convert to OO are the vowels, internal vowels, and you are converting, when you are converting it into the plural form, it will be feet, EE, right? Here you are just changing the internal vowels. Goose will convert to geese, tooth will convert to teeth, dormouse will convert to dormice, mouse will convert to mice, and louse will convert to lice, right? Now some nouns form their plurals by adding en or ren in the singular form, like child, children, ox, oxen. Now moving on to the next one. Some nouns have the same form in both singular and plural. Their form are same in both singular as well as plural, right? Like aircraft will remain same in plural form also. It will be aircraft. Bison will again be the same form in plural also. Carp will be same in the plural form also. Deer will also be same in the plural form also, and so on. Right? Now here are some nouns that have only plural forms, like the name of the equipment: bellows, scissors, binoculars, shears, goggles, spectacles, pincers, sunglasses, pillars, and tongs. And here are the name of some garments: breeches, pajamas, drawers, shorts, jeans, pants, tights, and trousers. They are all used in the plural form always. So children, that's all with the chapter, and exercises we will do in our next video. Thank you.